All right, we're out here in Mexico again, scouting out a location for a high-speed pull here that I've never done. So we're scouting this long bridge in Mexico to see if there is any police parked anywhere. So we're scouting this long bridge in Mexico to see if there is any police parked anywhere before we come back down. And there is a dude riding some kind of weird something on the other side. But so far, this Mexico bridge is pretty good for a short pull in Mexico. We'll see what happens once we get to the other side, but I'm looking for Mexican police officers parked on the side of the road here, and does not appear that there are any parked here, so we'll try it in Mexico. All right, we're coming over the top of the bridge now, and there should not be any reason why right here on this stretch right there we can't open it up a little bit and maybe get out by ourselves. There's a nice, probably quarter long, maybe a little bit longer than a quarter strip over here where it goes uphill a little bit, but this car doesn't take long to hit top speed, so we'll see. I've never done it, and this is a abandoned road in Mexico that it's really easy to get up to speed on, so let's see what happens. Today, our sponsor on Supercar Street Racing is a returning sponsor. Red Star Tec, who we've worked with a few times already, was so kind to send us this presentation clicker here for PowerPoint. This presentation clicker is so cool. It has multiple controls on it that allow you to provide a control for your presentation. It also has a presentation pointer, as you can see right there. And it has triple action controllers here. Holding these buttons down in various different ways will allow you to do different things on the controller right here. This thing is plug and play, and it works with almost any operating system. You don't need drivers or anything like that to make it work. And it does cool things like volume and blanking the screen. What's really cool also is it has a little storage at the bottom for your USB adapter, so it makes it easy to carry around in your briefcase and then just pull your little USB Type A out from the bottom and plug it directly into the machine you're going to be working on. Now, Red Star Tec has been a longtime sponsor of the channel now. We did some earbud reviews for them last time, and now they brought us their presentation clicker to check out. Please order it directly through the description in the video and support Supercar Street Racing and Red Star Tec with their presentation clicker. More online here from them in the Amazon link. I'll put it in the description. Thanks again, Red Star Tec. All right, guys, we are right in front of the Tesla Model S Plaid track package. I wanted to go over this with you guys because basically when you have a Model S Plaid, it is limited to 160. However, I hit before the limiter kicked in, and if you get the Model S Plaid with the track package, you can order it right here. It says right here it's $20,000. Or you can just get the carbon ceramic brake kit, and it is unclear in the writing here if you can get it with just the carbon ceramic brakes, because it says top speed 200 achievable with carbon ceramic brake kit and proper wheels and tires for those speeds. Now, if you get the carbon ceramic brake kit for the Plaid, you have to have the 20-inch and 21-inch wheels, and I believe mine would probably work because I have 21s. It does come with Supercar 3R tires if you get the wheel and tire package. However, I would just get the carbon ceramic brake kit so I could unlock the 200-mile-per-hour top speed if I wanted to go 200 at all times. So here it is, and right here on Tesla Model S Plaid, it's shoptesla.com, and you can see right here if you click carbon ceramic brake kit, it rings up at 15K there. If you drop this down, you click track package, you get the carbon ceramic brakes and you get these nice wheels and tires with it as well, and they install them at the actual dealer. And then it says also you can monthly payment this guy. Let's see what that says on this. Yeah, they want you to use a firm. You can actually pay a super high interest rate to go ahead and get your Tesla Model S Plaid equipped with the Model S Plaid track package, or just the carbon ceramic brake kit. And right there it tells you a lot about how the carbon ceramic brakes work. They feature continuous fiber technology in 3D matrix, and tells you what they come with there. They're 2x4 10x40 carbon silicon carbide front rotors, 2x4 10x32 rear rotors, and then you get the calipers as well. You get the integrated caliper mounting parking brakes and brake fluid, and you get the firmware updated, which does give you the high speed as well, the 200 mile per hour. And it puts the package on at the Tesla service center, so that's kind of cool as well. All right, we're not going to want any traffic anywhere near us when we do this, so we're going to let this go by and then flip a U-turn at this light here. Okay, we have let traffic kind of go for a minute. We have a straightaway right here. I'm going to just do a roll-on pull and see right when I round this corner and see what we can get the car up to. And hopefully there's no Mexican police officers on that side. So let's roll into this now. That's full throttle. That's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 160, 165, and that was the top speed. 165 is the speed limiter. I hit the top speed, and now we are coming off and on the brakes, which are terrible. I smell the brakes. That's the first time I've ever hit the top speed. I believe it's 165. And then this car has awful brakes, so I didn't push them too hard. And that was it, guys. That was about 30 to 165. All right, I double checked online. The top speed of this car is 162 miles per hour, and we did achieve that just now in the deep South Mexico terrain. And you can see it didn't take long to hit that top speed, and that's the first time I've ever gotten it up to that fast. So that's the fastest I have ever gone in this car, and it was kind of fun, you know, to see what this car can do. Now let me show you guys another option for carbon ceramic brakes, but you do not get the unlock firmware, so that's the one thing you won't get. All right, the last thing I wanted to show you guys here is another option here, like from TSportline, and they do offer this Brembo Gran Turismo kit for the Model S and X Plaid. It is $54.95. You can select different options here, and they do go up or down. That one says unavailable. The GT is unavailable. Only the GTS is available. It is $54.95 right now. That gives you another option. It does come in a bunch of different colors as well down here, as you can see. However, this will not unlock the top speed if that is what you're after. Just simply getting these big brakes from TSportline will not give you the Model S Plaid top speed. You have to have the firmware also unlocked in order to do that, and you cannot get that done by anybody that I am aware of. I think that you can only get it from Tesla. So if you're looking to get your top speed unlocked in the Model S Plaid, you will need to get the official track pack from Tesla, and that is right here under Model S Plaid track package that we looked at a minute ago. You will spend $20,000 for the wheels, tires, and brakes, or $15,000 for just the carbon ceramic brake kit. We have another option right here for you, and that is the Unplugged Performance Model S Plaid Super Light Carbon Ceramic Front Big Brake Kit. You can see this runs up to $9,000, and this is just for the front. They do have other kits available, but that one is the performance brakes for the Model S Plaid. When you click on it right there, there are some other options. You can get larger rotors for just the front and the rear, or you can go ahead and get the full carbon brake kit, which is right here. $91.95 for this. Your options here are big brake kit or replacement brake pads. If you choose big brake kit right here, You can choose your caliper color, red or black, and then you can choose your brake pads if you want racing or street. And it looks like right here, right now, that is going to be around $8,400 is your total if you would like to go ahead and get the Unplugged Performance Big Brake Kit. Racing Brakes also makes a big brake kit for the Model S Plaid. We are on racingbrake.com showing you their options here. There is a $16,000 carbon ceramic brake kit there. There is a $7,000 one there. There is an $11,000 one there and a $13,000 one right there. And if we click on this one here, you can see that this is the front and rear kit here. And you can get it oversized. You need 20+ inch wheels to do that. And you can get your brake lines replaced also. So that is probably the best option. If you do this and you go oversized, it is $8,000 for both the front and the rear brakes. Now this also fits the OEM calipers, which is why it is cheaper. If you want everything, you're gonna have to go ahead and step up to go ahead and get the calipers and the rotors together. This one does fit OE calipers as well. But if we go to the $17,000 kit here, you can see that it has everything for $16,960. Front and rear brake kit for the Plaid. It's going to have everything you need to go ahead and get your car up to big brake standards, and it is cheaper than getting the track package, but you do not get wheels and tires with it. The Tesla option for the Plaid is $15,000. This is $16,960, but you are getting some of the best brakes made. I had these on my SL65 AMG, and they were absolutely awesome. Way cheaper than that for the AMG, but of course you're paying for two. You're paying for the front and the rear, and you're paying, of course, for the Plaid, and with all of the inflation that we've been having lately as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll be doing some more stuff like this with the Plaid, racing some things and things of that nature. So hang out and please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.